Tuesday. We are getting ready to start our virtual invertebrates dissections. And this week, I'm actually going to go back into school tomorrow. So tomorrow, Tuesday, May 5th, at 1 o'clock, I will be doing the dissections of both a clam, which will take maybe 10, 15 minutes, and then the squid, which will take a little bit longer. So I'm going to try to join the two of them together. And I am going to do these live. I'll send out the link for that attached to this video as well. And it will be on Google Meet so that you can log in. You can use the chat box to kind of ask me some questions about, what you're seeing as I kind of go through the lab itself. It is to your advantage to be logged on live at the time that I am doing the dissections. I am going to record it as well. And that will be only if you have a scheduled meeting with another teacher at that time. So the reason I had to do this was because I have a second period oceanography and I have a fourth period oceanography. So we had to kind of make sure that those were not overlapping. And fourth block actually has more non-seniors in it, which is why I chose that time period. Plus, that is the best one to kind of work for my schedule as well. So basically, I tried to come up with a compromise time. Fourth period, you're expected to be live. That is your class period time. And then second period, it is to your benefit to be there live. The only reason you wouldn't be is if you already have a scheduled meeting with another teacher during that time period. So 1 o'clock tomorrow, I will send out the link. You will be expected to kind of log on to that. That is going to be your only assignment for this week. So there will be an assignment to complete a modified lab report for those two dissections afterwards. It is not going to be merely the type of lab report nor the amount of work that would normally be expected of you in class, just because you're not going to be hands-on with it. It'll be more of a recording for that. But it's really cool to see. I have excellent specimens this year. And this will be our good little intro. We'll do this one. We have a crab dissection, and then I will definitely live stream the shark dissection within the next week or so. So this is kind of the first one, and we'll see how that goes. So if you have any questions before Tuesday at 1 o'clock, please message me, let me know. But go ahead and set your schedule, set your calendar, set an alarm to make sure that you are logged on and ready to see those wonderful invertebrates all cut up and gooey and studied virtually online. So it'll be kind of nice to even see back in the classroom as well. All right, I look forward to it. See y'all tomorrow.